Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? Today we're going to do an unboxing from DiamondArtGift. They sent me three paintings to share with you guys. The first one is called Ice Skates and it's absolutely adorable. It's got these beautiful ice skates. Love the colors, like a blue-green. And it's got leaves all around it. And then it's got beautiful red flowers. And it looks like there's some berries here. And then you have like little, I don't know if those are stars. They look like stars. And then of course the ice. Unfortunately, I never learned how to ice skate, guys. This one is a 30 by 40 and it's got 24 colors. And I believe this one's $4.99. So let's measure it to see the true size. And that's 25 by 35. Okay, let's bring it up so you can see it. It's very clear. There goes that beautiful red flower. The shoelaces, well, the ice skate laces. And then goes those beautiful ice skates and the snow. Okay. Super sticky. All right. With they all come with a tray, wax, and a pen. And this one, these are the colors. Okay. Not going to open it because you can see it's mostly blues and greens. You got some pink in here and some red for the flowers, but it's mostly blues and greens because as you can see, it's got, and of course you've got browns. Okay. All right. And like I mentioned before, this one's $4.99. All right. The second one is called Christmas Cutes Cat. And this one is a 40 by 30. It's got 21 colors. And if you look at it, it's just completely adorable. Look at those round eyes. So cute. So they're like three little kittens and they've got wings, guys. And this is a cloud and you've got the word joy, but it looks like peppermint candy or candy cane. So it's peppermint candy, right? And then the sky. So I'll bring it up so you can see it. Just adorable. Very clear. Very sticky. And this one's also $4.99. So let's look at the true size. It's 35 by 25. All right. And this comes with a tray, wax, and a pen. They all do. And this one is, these are the colors. Yeah. Because I was just looking at this, which is B5292. Okay. So I like these bags, by the way. Comes in order. In numerical order, which is nice. And if you look at it, it's mostly red because of the candy cane and lots of blues and of course whites. So very pretty, and it's perfect for now, guys. So all right, and the third one, this one's called Grace Doll, and this one is actually bigger than the others. This one is a 40 by 40, but I'm assuming that it's a 35 by 35, the true size. 35 by 35. Okay, this one is absolutely gorgeous. This one has 30 colors and it says warm winter wishes, which is perfect for now. And it's got her name is Grace, but I think she's a gorgeous doll. She's got beautiful blue with some green on her hair. And she's got an adorable face. Love her blue dress with stars. And then look at the polar bear. He loves her. Just adorable. And I love her tights and her booties. And lots of snow. And of course, let's not forget the beautiful tree with a little bit of purple and green and blue on it. And grays. Just very adorable, guys. Very sticky. Let me bring it up so you can see it. So it says warm winter wishes. And look at that face. Look at that hair. It's got blue and green. And then, of course, let's not forget that cute polar bear and her little outfit. Just adorable. This one is actually $6.99. Okay. And it comes, of course, with the tray, wax, and pen. And these are the colors. So we're going to actually open the colors on this one. Why not? What the heck? Did everyone finish their Christmas shopping? Because I haven't, unfortunately. Okay, so let's just look at the colors back here. So So you got gray, lots of grays. You're gonna have lots of grays and whites in this, and blues. This is probably for her face. And then you've got this pretty turquoise, grays. All these are grays. Okay, you have that little light pink. That's like a blush color, and I think it's around her face. Some blue, more blue. That's probably for her hair. It looks black, but I think it's like a navy blue. Then you have sage and a little bit of purple, and I believe that's probably on the tree. Okay, so that light purple, that pretty blue. Okay, absolutely gorgeous. Love these colors, guys. Very wintry colors, which I love. Okay, I wonder if that's for the polar bear or the snow. And this green here is probably for her hair. Yeah, see those little spots of green? Because it's not a lot. And you have 4 packets of this one. Wait, yeah, 4. It's probably for the background. And again, blue greens. All right, absolutely gorgeous. So this one is called Grace Doll, $6.99. This one is Christmas Cute Cat, and this one's $4.99. And the last one, Ice Skates, and this is $4.99. Okay, so that's what I like to say. Thank you to Diamond Art Gift for giving me this opportunity to share these paintings with you guys. And I hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful Merry Christmas, and be safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.